I am 11 years old. I learn robotics at Robotics Center Sungai Petani. This is my robot. It is a police helper robot. This is the Ladies and gentlemen, good day. I am Josiane from Robotics Center Sungai Petani. It is my great honor to be here and revise the annual award from robotics. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to robotics who award me such valuable rewards and gave me more chance to discover and learn about robotics. Other than that, I also feel thankful to eRobotclub Malaysia who gave me the opportunity to online and able to win this award. Next, I would like to thank my coach, teacher, and friends for their recognition and encouragement. Also, I'm also not forgetting my lovely parents too, who gave full support to me all the time. I might have done well, but this achievement could be realized without them. Thank you for all.
So Josiane, so how you get the idea to do this project?
When I'm watching TV.
Okay, when was that?
When last year.
Last year. So what happened? You have come to this project because of what?
Because living in house, I do my robot.
Yeah, all right. So I remember in Malaysia last year, everyone will have to stay at home, right? So that's why you do this project. So the project name is called what?
Police helper.
Police helper. So you watch this the news and then you see police come out, correct or not?
Yes.
So you come out with this one. Okay, very good. So now, do you share all your good news with your friends?
Yes.
Yes, alright. So okay, thanks, Josiane. Thank you. Alright, I hope you keep on continue learning the robotics. Okay? Alright.